And it's like messing with a live grenade. What are you doing? What's up, kitty kitty? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Y'all are absolutely not going to believe the video today. Let me put these sunglasses on since I'm outside. Y'all will not believe this. Yesterday, I got a text from my wife. Now, I'm going to show you everything that happened yesterday. Kind of caught me off guard. I was in the house, wasn't ready for the day, much less what was about to transpire. So y'all are not going to believe this. I could not. My wife called. She was on her way home, and she said, there's something in my tire making a noise. And I'm like, it's probably a rock. No lights on the dash. Hadn't lost air. But she pulls up, and she's like, yeah, it's pretty loud. And I'm like, what in the actual crap is that? So y'all saw that too. It's an actual rifle bullet. I mean, you can see it. You can see the cap, where it fires, everything. The problem is I can't see inside the tire. So I have to assume that's a live round. I mean, it could be just a casing, but I go to pulling on that, it could go off.
Oh, Lord! Lord, Jesus! Oh, Lord! Oh, Jesus! What you doing, Terry?
See, I just done some research on that, and it says have a tire professional look at it, that you don't want to be out there pulling on it, messing with it, because it could go off. And me being me, I'm like, and what I know about firearms, I'm like, I don't think that it's gonna go off, because that cap on the end, I don't think I'm gonna be anywhere hitting that, striking it. So I'm gonna see what I can do out here. So this may turn into a video of what not to do. So I'm just letting you guys know, this is the first time I've ever seen anything like this. And if I would have known when she called me on the way home and said there's making a clicking sound, I'm thinking she ran over a screw or a weight or a bolt or something. If I would have known she'd had a live round in her tire, I would have told her to pull over right then. But she made it home. I'm gonna use extra long needle nose. We're gonna see if we can't get this out, put a patch in it without getting grenaded.
Oh, Lord, Jesus! Ow!
So the tools I would normally use are a pair of needle nose or pliers, something to pull the obstruction out. Okay, once the obstruction's pulled out, you're going to lose air, chances are. I mean, there are situations you don't lose air. So have you an air pump on standby to make sure you got air in there. And also the spray bottle with water and dishwashing liquid. That way you can spray on the hole when you remove the obstruction to actually see if there's air coming out or not. Then you're going to need your plug kit. I went ahead and got the slime kit because they are aluminum and they're not the plastic cheap crap that usually breaks when you're using this core tool to clean the obstruction airway in the tire where the air is escaping. If you've got the plastic ones, chances are it's going to break on you. So use the heavy duty ones right here. What I use is I'll put the rubber strip on the tool after I've cored it out and cleaned the hole, the airway, and I'll rub some rubber cement on that, push that in, pull out the tool. The rubber strip will stay inside the tire, and there you go. This video is going to be something else, guys. I know there's going to be a ton of comments. Don't do that. Take it to somebody. And I probably should, but you know me. Y'all know me. So I got to give y'all good videos. So we got to do this. I feel obligated. So this video may be evidence where I get shot changing a tire. I'm way back here, and I'm not wanting to get near the top of that. Daggone. And it's like messing with a live grenade. Oh God. All right, don't get near the top, guys. I'm sure it's not going to go off because she drove all the way home about 4 miles. This is crazy though. Only on this channel will you see stuff like this. There may be a chance that it's not all the way down in the tire. It's ran this way. So it's definitely in the rubber, but maybe it didn't break the steel belt. I'm getting it out. There it comes. There it is. Holy moly. I'm not sure if I hear it leaking or not, but we'll figure that out in a second. I would assume it is just a casing now that I've had a closer look at it, so it may not be live after all. So I brought it up here on this brick, and just the sound of it is hollow. So yeah, after further inspection, I think it is just casing. But from when it was sticking in the tire like that, it sure looked like a live round. So now we got to see if the tire is actually leaking air. So I'm going to take this little squirt bottle, put some water in it, and now I'm going to give a couple squirts of this dishwashing liquid and take it back out to the tire, and I'm going to show y'all how to check for a leak. All right, so what we'll do, there's a little piece of rubber right here, but I think the puncture was on the side, on the lugs, instead of going all the way through. But we're going to find out. This is how you'll be able to tell right here. Yeah, I don't think it's went through. Here's an example video of a tire leaking air. You can see the bubbles. Well, ours don't have that. Yeah, it's really an uneventful video. It wound up being. Caught me off guard. That's one thing for sure. When your wife texts you, I'm on my way home and I got a bullet in my tire. So just because we didn't need the ultimate tire plug kit today, that does not mean that we won't in the future. It's not a question of if, it's when. So not only do you need an air pump in case you have an obstruction, you have to do a plug kit. Hey, wintertime, the air pressure fluctuating the tires. Sometimes you need air. So that's why the pump just makes perfect sense for an investment. 36 pounds. Get yours. Links in the description. Widget, little kitty. That's right, girl. Tell them, subscribe to the channel, guys.